How to download any music using the Google Chrome. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can download any mp3 music using the Google Chrome. So in order to download any mp3 music, the first step that you will need to do is simply open your desired web browser, and then you will need to search in like this. So you can simply type in the song name and then type in download mp3, and once you will do this, you need to hit the search bar, and once you have hit the search bar, you will see a set of results like this. Now from here you can find websites. There are genuine websites like SoundCloud and audio.com. You can sign in there and download your mp3 music for free. Apart from that, if you want to skip sign in, then there are some other websites, like you can see this one, that is oedjsurendra.com. So you can simply click onto this and it will take a little time in order to open, and once this opens I will show you the particular interface of this website. So this is the interface of this website. As you can see, you can verify the song by clicking onto this play button, and once you think the song is verified, you can click onto this download button and the download will start. So let me show you. And now you can see that the file has started to download and it has been successfully downloaded. So if I go to my downloads, you can see here is the mp3 file. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.